Good morning, class. Today we're going to be working in Photoshop, a new program. And in Photoshop, we're going to learn how to change a picture to black and white. We're going to be using a self-portrait in this coming up project, and we're going to turn that portrait into black and white. So let's get started. Go ahead and open up your Photoshop. Okay. Now that your Photoshop is open, we need to get a picture. We will use one of the pictures that you use in Word Wisdom. So grab a photo that you have not used in Word Wisdom, and if you happen to have your photo in Photos, I cannot drag it directly into Photoshop. What you'll have to do is go into your Finder, go down to your Pictures, and in your Pictures, drag the photo over. Then you can drag it directly down to your Photoshop icon, and it will open up into Photoshop. Now that you have your photo in Photoshop, we need to turn it to black and white. It's a fairly simple process. I'm going to go and change my workspace to photography. You'll find that in Windows, Workspace, Photography. Now I'm going to come over to my adjustments in my Windows on the right. And we'll be going over Photoshop later in the semester. But for this one, we're simply going to click on our black and white adjustment. Then we have our color balance to work with. Decide where we can pop out that color to give us a nice contrast. I'm going to try to get this cup really right with the black lid. Really like the contrast. Might come into the blue. Really pull in some rich black. And it looks like I have a magenta. I really want that ground to pop out so the cup's like, and there I have it. Now I have my image adjustment. You'll see your picture as a background, and above that you'll see the image adjustments where it says black and white. You can click that at any time and readjust your properties or your color adjustment. Once you have finished, you'll have a two process. You're going to go into Help, and you're going to sign in to your Adobe Behance account. Once you've signed in, then you will share on Behance. This will be a work in progress. And a work in progress is part of your portfolio. To go ahead and get your tags, you'll go to the main website and you'll click on Load Projects. Here are your tags to copy. And post a comment. Tell me what you learned about Photoshop in your comments, and then hit continue. So, what did you learn in Photoshop? And then continue. Now your work is live, and you can go see it by logging into your Behance. After you've logged in your Behance, I want you to follow 2 or 3 people in the class.